Alright, y'all, so today we're gonna be making some white chicken chili, and y'all know it's that season. And I'm not gonna lie, this might be better than regular chili. Like, this is about to be my go-to. You want to start by preparing your vegetables. I just chopped up my green peppers, my red peppers, my white onion, garlic. Put that in the ice bath till I was ready to use it later. Then I dice up 1 jalapeno pepper. I chop up 2 corn on the cobs into corn ribs. I also chopped up 1 large celery stalk and 2 small carrots. Then I dice up 1 large russet potato and put that into ice bath till I'm ready to use it. Then you want to set this aside into a large pot. Add 2 tablespoons of neutral oil. Then add your already seasoned chicken breast to sear for a couple minutes on each side. This is just to maximize flavor. Don't worry about fully cooking your chicken. Now to that same pot, you want to add all your chopped vegetables. Add a can of fire roasted Rotel tomatoes, a can of green chilies, 1 can of rinsed black beans. Then I add 1/4 cup of canned corn. Let that cook down for a couple minutes. Then I add 3 cups of chicken stock. Then you want to reincorporate your chicken into the soup. Let that come to a simmer. Then you want to add in your corn and your potatoes. Add the juice of 2 limes, a can of coconut milk, cream or heavy cream. Add 2 ounces of cream cheese. Then I season with the same seasonings that I used in my meat. I let that boil for about 30 minutes or so. Then I start skimming off the impurities that rise to the top. Then I let that simmer for another 15 minutes. At this point, everything should meld together, so your soup is going to be thicker. I then incorporated beef stock instead to just loosen it up a bit. You can substitute with chicken stock. Add some chopped cilantro at the end. Then I just plate with some green onions, corn rib, avocado, fried onions, and wonton chips, shallot and chive boursin cheese. And y'all, seriously, thank me later.